In this tutorial we'll be using the Ultra Key effect in Premiere Pro, and what that allows us to do is to remove sections of video footage and to allow other video layers to show through. So it's a fairly common technique, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to use. So first of all, I've gone onto the new Pexels website and I've downloaded this footage, and I'm going to have an aquarium background behind me talking, and I'll show you, now that I've already downloaded these videos, how we do that. So I'm in Premiere Pro with a new project, and I've called it Ultra Key, and Control I will give us the import dialog, and I have a folder of images here, as you can see. This is me talking in front of a green screen, and this is the aquarium footage that I got from the Pexels website. So I'm going to click the first one, hold down Control and get the second one, and open them both at the same time. So having done that, I'm going to be using the Ultra Key as the settings for the sequence. So I'm going to drag and drop the footage of me onto this page icon, and that will create a sequence using the frame rate and the dimensions of that movie file. So there I am, and it's a fairly creased up green screen background, so it's not perfect, but we'll see how we go in this demonstration. So first of all, I'll hit the spacebar and we'll play it back. So here's a quick example of me doing chroma key or ultra key over myself. So we get the idea there. I'll rewind. Now at the moment this is on video layer 1, and once we start using the Ultra Key effect, whatever is underneath this layer will appear through. I'll show you the footage here, so I'll just double click that to throw it up here into the source window, and we'll hit play. So here's our jellyfish in an aquarium footage. You get the idea. And now the first thing we have to do here is to set up our Ultra Key. So I've selected the video track. You can see that it's selected because it's white, and now I'm going to, down in this area here, expand and find the effects tab, and there it is. If we just start typing in Ultra, we'll go straight to the keying effect there, Ultra Key, drag and drop it straight onto the video track, and the effect is ready to be customized to our needs. So you'll also notice that little FX in that small square, so that's indicating that an effect is being applied to the track. So let's now go up here into our effect controls, and you can see that we have an expandable section that is called Ultra Key, and this is where we'll be making our settings. First of all, we have to pick up the color. So I'm going to grab the eyedropper and click in a kind of mid-tone of green. So let's go around about here. So you can see how most of that has already eradicated the green, but it's not great over here. So what I might do is eyedrop a few other areas and see if I can grab an element of green that is the best match across the whole sheet. That's probably the best example there. So when I press the space bar, so here's a quick example. You can see in real time how it's removing all of that green, and that's fantastic. So now we've got a few options here. Setting, I think that aggressive is the best one, because you can see how in one click it's done a fairly good job of removing most of the other green elements. So now I'm going to grab my other track. So we're going to go back to our project tab, and here's our jellyfish. Drag and drop the jellyfish in. Now you'll see that the jellyfish have completely covered me, and that's because I've got my track order wrong. So let's simply drag and drop me above the jellyfish, and there we are, instant aquarium. And that's how simple it is to do the Ultra Key effect.